Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another affiliate marketing video, and today we're going to look at how to become successful affiliate marketer, how to actually get it going so you have and you see the results that you want. Alright, so in this video I'm going to lay out the top 5 tips for you to implement right now and start seeing the results. Alright, so without further ado, let's get going. Alright guys, so the number one tip, the number one thing you need to implement and need to start thinking is to think about affiliate marketing like any other business. Think about affiliate marketing like any other business or a career. Alright, now I'm going to explain it right now. So that's not really correct. So think of affiliate marketing like business. Now, what do I mean by this? It's business, right? What do I mean by this? Think about it as any other business now, or a career. Now, it takes around 6 years to become a doctor, all right? And that's just when you, after those 6 years, you just start to do the work the doctor does. It takes around 7 years, I suppose, to become a lawyer. All right. Again, after 7 years, you just start working. All right. So just because affiliate marketing is an online thing, don't think about it as as any other get-rich-quick scheme or something that you don't see results in 2 weeks or a month, that it doesn't work. All right. Think about it like a proper business. Any business that is built properly and has foundations and you see big results takes some time and it takes work put in. All right, so just think about it like a proper business, take it seriously, all right, and you will see the results. All right, now the number 2 tip, and very important, and I cannot stress this out enough, it changed completely my life, is video marketing. All right, implementing video marketing into your business. So video. All right, now what do I mean by video? Video is literally a video just like this one, all right? Or it can be, many people are afraid of video, all right? And like, don't get me wrong, it's understandable. It's very weird to just look into the camera, and talk to yourself. It's pretty weird, but video marketing is actually the marketing of today. Okay, it's not of the past, it's not of the tomorrow or future, it's actually marketing of today. So if you're not using video in your business, and it doesn't really matter what kind of business you're doing, you're missing out on a lot of attraction. Okay, video marketing, especially if you're doing affiliate marketing, is like pretty much the most important thing you can implement into your business. If you're not using it, you're missing out. Now, I know a lot of people are scared of it, and don't get me wrong, I was exactly the same. Like, I was so terrified of it. If you, like, I mentioned it in other videos. So like, when I was starting out, it was like no idea about video. Like, there's not even a discussion for me to do a videos. All right, I was so petrified of it, but then I just kind of like pushed through it. I thought to myself, okay, if video is the only one thing that is going to stop me from success, I'm not going to let it. All right, so I started it, and literally my first video, I took my phone, all right, and did the video. It took me 36 attempts to record a video. All right, I was sweating, I was like shaking. All right, and after those 36 attempts, it was like, okay, it's fine. All right, I made it. It was like a 5-minute video maybe, and I think I haven't even used the video because I've redone it afterwards, but I made it like a habit. All right, I did it every single day. I went through it. The second video was easier, the third one was easier, the fifth one, 10th one was easier, and then I literally, it was like a second nature. Just grabbed my camera, recorded the video in one go, published it, and that's it. All right, so it's all only about going through that fear, and it's gonna benefit you for long term. It had tremendous change in my self-confidence, and not only in the business but also especially in the personal life. All right, so this is tip number 2, video. Tip number 3 is build your social and online presence. All right, so online presence. All right, build your online presence. Now, in today's world, 21st century, we got 2021, so it's like, everything is online, especially during this COVID time. So everything is online. It's all about the social media. If everybody is tweeting, everybody is looking over there, and if you're not online, you're really missing out. People might not even know about you anything if you're not on social media. And with affiliate marketing, you can make lots and lots of money using social media. Now, I don't care if it is Facebook, if it is Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, whatever else you might be using. All of them are great, YouTube including, all right? All of these are great. Use some of them, use most of them, and the best one is to use all of them, all right? So build your online presence, go out there on a daily basis, or on a consistent basis. It doesn't need to be every single day, but just go out there, do that consistency that people can see you, people can get the value from you and see you out there, reach out to you and all of that stuff, and it's going to help you tremendously. All right, now the tip number 4 is what is the tip number 4? Yes, it is tip number 4 is build your email list. Okay, so email list. Now, email list. Now, you might heard this quite a lot. All right, money is in the list, right? And it's very much true. All right, with email list, you're capturing the contact for this customer. Okay, now the thing is that people don't buy on a day one when they see an offer. All right, usually it takes some time to get used to it, to get familiar with it, to get accustomed to it. All right, so that's why you've got the email list, because on the first day you send them the offer, they're not interested into buying it. So what you do next is send them a follow-up email, okay, reminding them that, oh, you haven't bought this or whatever, here is, I don't know, a free video that I recorded about that particular product and benefits of that product, okay? If they don't want to buy it, completely fine. You keep in touch with them all the time, because, there might be people who connect with you, all right? They like you, but that product that you offered them at that specific time is not really something they're looking for. So what you can do is send them another offer for something different, okay? Obviously you need to stay in the same niche, same category, or like a similar one, alternative, or something that is beneficial in that area that they are interested in. But you can change those products, and you can send them other offers, all right? So build your email list. It's gonna help you lots of time, all right? And of course, it takes some time to build it, all right? But again, just remember that to become a doctor, it takes 6 years just to start it, okay? And tip number 5 is going to be give value to people. Now, value, okay? Value. Now, the number 5 is connected to, I would say, to all of these things, all right? When you're going to create a value and give valuable information to people, they are going to see it, okay? They are going to see it either through your online presence, through your videos, or through your emails. Obviously, it's all connected with your affiliate marketing business. So giving value, I cannot stress this out more, is literally the number one thing you need to implement. If you're just going to send offers and offers and offers to your email list, they're going to very quickly stop opening your emails, and they're going to unsubscribe very, very quickly, okay? However, if you combine these offer emails with valuable information, and it should be around 80% value, 20% offers, all right? They're going to see the tremendous help you're giving them, okay? It's going to be all about the value. Okay, this guy showed me how to do this. This guy showed me, I don't know, taught me how to build an email list, okay? I showed you how to do, these 5 tips, all right, for example. And then something magical happens. We call it the reciprocity, and it really works, okay? It's pretty much you give something for free, and then the other person who receives this free thing are inclined to actually give you something back, okay? So they are more inclined now to buy your product than before because you already gave them something, all right? And when you give this value, give you valuable information on a consistent basis, again, consistency is key, then they're going to see you over there, and they're going to really like you, know you, trust you. You're going to build that relationship with them, and they're going to really buy from you from that point on. And once you build that connection with them, they are going to buy most of the stuff you're probably going to offer them. All right, so this is pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got lots of value from it. If it was helpful, give me thumbs up, let me know in the comments section below what you think about it. Subscribe to the channel to get notified whenever I post a new content. And listen, guys, if you're interested in how to actually implement all of this stuff that we talk about here, how to do videos, how to actually implement the videos, okay, how to build your online presence, and so you will be there and you can implement all of that stuff so people can see you there, how to build the email list, or how to actually give the value, all right, then I've created a 4-day video series where I go literally from A to Z on how to build all of this stuff, how to start from scratch with affiliate marketing to build your successful online business, all right? It's completely free, you get full access to it. Take it as an extension of this video, all right? And if you're interested, then just click the link below. It's the first link in the description, and you will get full access to it, all right? If you go for it, then I will see you inside of it. If not, completely fine. Have a great rest of the day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.